How to contact Facebook directly. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see six different options. What I want you to do is to tap on your menu and it will lead you to your menu section or menu area. Next is scroll all the way down up until you see help and support. Tap on help support here and tap on help center. Now, here on help center, you will see these options here. So let's say you are having a problem to your account settings or your marketplace, so on and so forth, then you can tap there. Now, if your problem is not there, what you can do is to tap on here looking for something else, visit business help center, and here you will see every information that you can do or you want to be able to contact Facebook directly or any questions that you may want to have, or you can actually search for her here. And basically that is how you contact Facebook directly, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.